Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a pretty cool little battery solution from Ifootage that allows you to use a USB battery like this one, which is from a different manufacturer, and plug that up to your camera and power up your camera like that. So it's pretty simple. It has a strap that holds onto the battery surprisingly well. So you can see there that's holding the battery quite nicely, not moving around, and then has a hot shoe connection which you can swap over for male connection if you need to connect this directly to a rig instead of to the top of the camera. And then that's it. That's your power solution. It has a cable going out to the bottom of the camera, quite a long cable. This is about 1.5 feet and can be extended to probably about 1 meter if you stretch it. You'll need to carry a load of these to get the same amount of power as one of these battery banks, especially if you get a good one. So you don't have to stop recording to change batteries, which is quite good, and also has the advantage of being multi-purpose. So for example, this can also charge my phone. This one also has a built-in light, if that's something that's useful to you. And this has a built-in solar panel, which I haven't tested yet. So you can actually charge the battery itself from this solar panel. So that's quite interesting. This can also be charged from my phone charger, so I wouldn't have to carry a dedicated charger for this. And also this is more convenient to charge. So with this, you just plug it in overnight from your phone charger, whereas these things you need to swap them over every 2 hours or so. Once one of them is full, you need to swap it over for one of the empty ones. And I think mostly when I'm outside, I'll be using these small batteries rather than something like this. Now the advantage to batteries like this is you can fit them in your pocket a lot more easily. So for example, if you need a spare, then it's a lot more easy to take one of these or two of these. And also they don't add any weight to the top of your camera, so it keeps the camera smaller if that's important for you. But when it comes to just how much power you get for the weight, then I think most USB batteries would definitely win. Now I haven't fully tested this battery out yet, but I will have a link to it down below in case you guys want to check that out on Amazon. This is in no way a definitive comparison because it will really depend on the battery that you choose, and also because this is a different voltage to this, which is why we need this little thing. So that means that this milliamp hour reading is not necessarily the same as this. So just keep that in mind. So here we have, for about 50 grams, we have 1,100 milliamp hours. And with this more weight, so about 450 grams, we have 32,000 milliamp hours. So just for weight to power ratio, you're probably going to get a much better runtime from this compared to just taking a bunch of little batteries. So this is what it looks like on top of the camera, and you can see that I've mounted it sideways just so that it doesn't get in the way of me reaching the viewfinder with my eye. And I can feel it a tiny bit on my forehead, but it's not really a big problem. Now in theory, you could also use this with different USB power sources, maybe a laptop or maybe a USB charger like this, but I don't recommend doing that. I don't know if that's going to be safe to do. So my thoughts on this little iFootage device, it is pretty cool and pretty useful and allows you to use a battery that you possibly already have. So I think a lot of people are really gonna like this. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you want to support this channel, then you can get yours from the links down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.